are synthetic appendages that I'm going to show you a few muscles on just because it's more lifelike than looking at pictures. So of course this would be the arm, this is the leg, this would be the right arm because here's your thumb, digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the lateral side of the arm, that would be the medial side of the arm. Here's the shoulder, so here is the scapula and here's the clavicle. So this is the deltoid muscle. We can see it inserts all the way around here around the scapular clavicle. It's going to come down here and insert into the humerus bone. So there's your deltoid. On the front of the arm is the biceps brachii. They call it biceps brachii. Biceps means two heads, 1, 2. Brachii means arm. So there's the biceps brachii. Now I'm going to turn it over, and on the back side of the arm, we saw the deltoid. I'm going to move that back. Here's our scapula. Here's the spine of the scapula. So superior to the spine, we find the supraspinatus muscle and the infraspinatus muscle. And then here's our triceps brachii, deep to that deltoid. Triceps means 3, brachii means arm. So there's 3 heads of this. We're going to see the lateral head, the long head, and the medial head here. So 3 heads of the triceps brachii. Now let's look at and see what we can see on this leg. So this would be the anterior side of the leg. Again, this is the right leg. There's our big toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits there. There's the patella. Up here, what we're going to see is the hip bone, and there's several muscles we can see on the leg that we've looked at on pictures. This is the sartorius. Starts out on the lateral side of the hip, inserts into the medial side of the knee, longest, thinnest muscle in our body. Gracilis is here, another long, thin muscle. Gracilis, sartorius. If I move the sartorius aside, what we're going to see are our quadriceps muscles. There's 4 of these. This is rectus femoris, runs right up the middle of the thigh. Rectus femoris. Then we see vastus medialis on the medial side of the leg. And here's vastus lateralis on the lateral side of the leg. Big, big, big muscles here in the leg. So if I move rectus femoris in the middle, we see vastus intermedius. So rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, vastus medialis. I'm going to turn the leg over here. Here's our tensor fasciae lata. See how that is big belly of the muscle up here on the lateral side of the leg? Then it becomes a big strip of fascia, and it runs all the way down the medial side of the leg, helps to hold these big muscle groups together, and inserts into the lateral side of the kneecap. On the back of the leg, we're going to see the gluteus maximus. That's your big butt cheek muscle. And this layers. I'm going to pull that aside, and what we'll see then deep to the gluteus maximus is the gluteus medius. Gluteus medius. And if I pull that aside, very, very deep in here, we see gluteus minimus. So look how those layer. Gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, with the tensor fasciae lata lying over the top. Now on the back of the leg, what we're going to see is the hamstrings. And we've got 3 hamstrings. So this is going to be the medial side of the leg. This is the lateral side of the leg. So there are 3 of these. What we're going to see is the biceps femoris. Biceps means 2, so by a 2-headed muscle of the femur. Biceps femoris, semimembranosus, and semitendinosus. So from lateral to medial of the hamstrings are biceps femoris, semitendinosus, semimembranosus. On the lower leg, here's the big gastrocnemius. Gastrocnemius is your big calf muscle. Notice how it becomes that calcaneal tendon and then inserts into the heel bone. Deep to that, we're going to see the soleus. So we got gastrocnemius, soleus. And on the anterior side, we see the tibialis anterior.